Lesson number 14, 2.5, Language Study. Friends, do you know what do you mean by describing words? The word that says speciality of particular thing are called describing words. Such as, sky is blue. Here, blue is describing word. Tomato is red. Here, red is a describing word. This way we learn few describing words from this lesson. A mango is yellow in color. It is very sweet in taste. A rose is red. It is very beautiful. These are 4 pencils. We use sharp pencils to write. A dog is clever and loyal animal. Now we will match the pairs of things and their describing words. Sharp, pencil. Clever, dog. Sweet, mango. Red, rose. We'll see some more examples of describing words. This is a colorful ball. An apple is red in color. He is an old man. These are 8 bananas. This is a green parrot. From these, we learned describing words such as colorful, red, old, 8, and green.